The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 515-207-2006. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Iowa. We're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hello, I'm Gene Nassif, an attorney at O'Flaherty Law. My practice areas include business transactional matters as well as some landlord-tenant and family law issues. Now, today we're going to talk about establishing and refuting paternity in Iowa. In Iowa, when a married couple has a child, the husband is automatically presumed the father. His name will be placed on the birth certificate, and no additional information is necessary. Even if the husband is not the father, her husband would be the legal father and could be liable for child support should the couple separate. In Iowa, there are no automatic protections in place for fathers of children born out of wedlock. There are a number of steps that unwed partners need to take for the father to have legal rights to the children. An unwed father in Iowa can establish paternity in one of three ways. First is through marriage. The simplest way to establish paternity is to get married before the child is born. Second is a paternity order. This document is filed when the mother of the child isn't receiving physical or financial support from the alleged father. In this instance, the Iowa Child Support Recovery Unit will then issue an order for DNA testing from the child as well as the parents. Finally, there is a paternity affidavit. This is a sworn statement where both parties agree that the father listed on the document is the child's biological father. The father's name is added to the birth certificate, and the father accepts responsibility for any and all financial support of the child. Now, what if you believe that you are not the child's father? If you are the established father but later believe that you aren't the father, there is a process in place to remove your obligations to the child. This is called disestablishing paternity. Paternity can be reviewed in one of three ways. First, if the legal father files a request for genetic testing with the Child Support Recovery Unit. In this instance, the Recovery Unit will ask the court to order a paternity test. If the test shows the man is not the father, then the Recovery Unit will stop the process of accepting and collecting child support. Second, if a parent files for divorce, the court will decide custody and child support issues. During these proceedings, the court may disestablish paternity of the husband. If the husband and wife agree in writing that the husband isn't the father, then the father will be disestablished. Additionally, if the husband requests the court looks at paternity, the court may inquire about it. In either circumstance, genetic testing likely will be required. If the husband doesn't ask the court to look at paternity during the divorce proceeding, support can get ordered against the husband despite the child not being theirs. In other words, if you're in a divorce and you believe your children may not be yours, it is important to raise the issue at that proceeding. The final way to disestablish paternity is if a parent files a case in court. To file this action in Iowa, the child needs to be under 18. The court must appoint an attorney to represent the child. A DNA test needs to be done if it hasn't been done already. And it has to show the legal father is not the biological father. Finally, the original paternity determination must have been made in Iowa, or the paternity order from another state must have been registered in Iowa. If paternity was previously established by affidavit, the court must find that the affidavit was based on fraud, duress, or mistake. Now, what happens if you're proven that you aren't the father? If you disestablish paternity, any unpaid support is considered satisfied and paid in full. Any future obligation is cleared and no longer owed. The question then arises whether you can recover for any support that you have previously paid. Unfortunately, in Iowa, you cannot recover any money that you have already paid. As always, if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to our firm. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 515-207-2006. We have many locations for your convenience. We serve all of Iowa. Thank you again for watching.